So we're at Elton Springs right now, and we are trying to bust through the ice. Basically, you can see the ice around here, and we're trying to get to the other side. And Devin's over there, busting his way through the ice. Watch it. Sorry. Yeah. You made it? Oh shit. What do you call her about you? Look at that huge sheet I just busted out.
That'll be easy to get back.
Yeah. Dude, that's awesome how that big sheet just busted off, man. Trying to get over here. I don't want to get you too wet. Whew. That's fun. Yeah. I was waiting for it to bust open.
You still videotaping?
Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm gonna pause it though.